What are y'all? Got a quick unboxing here. Gonna be unboxing this Superman Sea Hunter propeller. Gonna get into this thing. I actually have a tripod now, so I can actually use both of my hands in doing this, so I can actually see getting into this. Popping it open here. And gonna dump it out. Boom. It's the Invicta box. And open it up here. Very detailed box. Almost like a collector's item itself. Got the DC imprinted on there. And a lot of the characters going all around the box. On the top here. Very nice. But open it up, see what's inside. Here it is. Look like I got number 396 out of 4,000. Let's take the plastic off of this thing, have a look. Of course, it's mummy wrap all around. Whole case and bracelet. I'm just gonna take this plastic off of here so you can see the dial. Show y'all the dial at least. See if I can get my phone to get a good look at this dial. Alright, use my phone to try to look at the dial a little more here. Looking closer at that dial, you can see it's Superman, comic book style, and multiple layers. It has his face, it has pieces from the comic books, of course his logo. But yeah, very detailed, very nice. Review coming soon. Y'all take care out there. Stay happy and healthy. By the way, the watch of the day is going along with the DC theme. And got the Aquaman Poseidon on there. But y'all take care out there. Stay happy and healthy. Thanks for tuning in. And see y'all back with a review. Love y'all.